Hello. Today I'm going to show you the solution for your Epson XP225 device with a red light error. It's a solution for that because if your printer has props with the red light error, then you are at the end of the lifespan of your printer. Because inside there is an area where all ink is in a reservoir, and this should be full. This says the Epson brand. But it is not full, really. After 10 years of using that printer, approximately, they have built in that timer. This is the wasting counter. And here it comes, Inkchip.net. This is an inkjet adjustment program. Wasting counters, WIC, wizard utility for Epson printers. Inkjet provides us the best software to weather our printers wasting pad counters. We just download that utility, and with the WIC read keys, we can reset the ink pad counter to 0. It only takes a few seconds to easily reset our printer. We will need a USB printer to USB-C or USB-A cable, and we connect this with a computer. And at the computer, there is, of course, the inkjet adjustment programs running. And if we look at this software, we can see there is wasting counters or deep cleaning option. So this proc can give us or our printer a deep cleaning process too for free. That's really cool. We choose our printer, the 255 printer, out of the 275 family, and in the 257 series, we can then go to read the wasting counter first. And then, of course, the program will show you, in this case, it's about 60%, the counter is okay in this case, but if you have the wasting counter prop, the red light arrow, you see that there is 100%. And of course, the printer will not continue working. But if we are going to the next step, that means we choose the reset wasting counter, then we are able to reset that. Of course, we have to buy a key on Inkchip.net, and then we can continue with that process of wasting counters reset. We enter this key into the input key area. This is a long key, of course, and then done. We should have the wasting counter go back to 0%. Before we can see this, of course, we have to reboot the printer, and the red lights will be not on anymore. And if we go back to our Inkchip.net adjustment program, we can see the counters back to 0. Job's done. We can continue now printing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.